Animals talk to us all the time. They use their bodies. Learning their secret language makes you a better friend to your pet. You'll know when they're happy, scared, or need some space. This helps keep everyone safe and builds trust. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want someone to ignore your feelings, right? Pets feel the same way. By paying attention, you show them you care. This guide will teach you the basics of dog and cat body language. Remember, every animal is different, just like people. But these tips will give you a good start.
Dogs are very expressive. They communicate a lot through their body language and facial expressions. Their tails are big clues to their emotions and intentions. A wagging tail usually means happiness, but the speed and direction matter too. A fast wag often indicates excitement. A slow wag can mean they're unsure or feeling a bit cautious. A tail tucked between their legs means fear or submission. It's a sign they're feeling threatened or scared.
Ears are important too. They can tell you a lot about what your dog is thinking. Forward ears mean they're alert and interested in something. They might be curious or focused. Ears flattened back against their head can signal fear or anxiety. It's a sign they're feeling uncomfortable. Sometimes it means they're being playful, so watch their whole body for other signs of playfulness.
A relaxed dog will have a loose posture. They will look comfortable and at ease. A tense body with stiff legs and a raised tail means they're feeling threatened or anxious. It's a sign to give them space. Knowing these signs helps you understand your dog's mood and respond appropriately. It strengthens your bond and ensures their well-being. Cats are more subtle, but they still give us clues. Understanding these clues can help us build a stronger bond with our feline friends. They communicate through their body language, and once you know what to look for, it becomes easier to understand their needs and emotions. A straight-up tail with a little curve at the top means a happy cat. This is a sign that they are comfortable and confident in their environment. When you see this, you can be assured that your cat is feeling good. A tail thrashing back and forth? That's a sign of agitation. Back off. When a cat's tail is moving like this, it's best to give them some space. They might be feeling threatened or annoyed, and respecting their boundaries is crucial.
Whiskers tell a story too. These sensitive hairs can reveal a lot about a cat's mood and intentions. Forward-facing whiskers mean they're curious or playful. When a cat's whiskers are pushed forward, it indicates they are interested in their surroundings and ready to explore or engage in play. Whiskers pulled back against their face show fear or stress. This is a defensive posture, and it's important to recognize this sign to avoid causing further anxiety. Pay attention to their eyes too. A cat's eyes can be very expressive and can tell you a lot about how they are feeling. Dilated pupils can also indicate fear. When a cat's pupils are wide, it can mean they are scared or highly alert.
Cats rub against you to mark their territory. This behavior is a way for them to leave their scent and claim you as part of their domain. It's a sign of affection and trust. When a cat does this, it means they feel safe and comfortable with you. Purring usually means they're content, but sometimes cats purr when they're in pain. It's a complex behavior that can indicate different things depending on the context. It's their way of self-soothing. Purring can help them relax and feel better, whether they are happy or trying to comfort themselves.
Section 4. Common mistakes. People often think a dog licking their lips is always a sign of hunger. However, this is not always the case. It can also mean they're stressed or anxious. Look at the situation and the dog's overall body language. Are they panting and yawning too? These are additional signs that your dog might be feeling stressed or uncomfortable. Those are also signs of stress. It's important to consider the context and other behaviors your dog is displaying. Another common mistake is thinking a cat's slow blink means they're bored or uninterested. Actually, it's a sign of trust and affection. When a cat slow blinks at you, they are showing that they feel safe and comfortable. Try blinking slowly back at your cat. This can help strengthen your bond and show them that you trust them too. It's a great way to bond and communicate with your feline friend. Remember, context is important in understanding animal behavior. A wagging tail doesn't always mean a dog is friendly or happy. They might be wagging their tail while also growling and showing their teeth. That's a clear warning sign to stay away. Always pay attention to the full range of body language cues to understand what your pet is really trying to communicate. Section 5. Context is key. To understand your pet, look at the whole picture. What's happening around them? What's their body language saying? Are they showing multiple signs of stress or fear? For example, a dog who's usually happy to greet people might act differently at the vet's office. They might be scared and unsure. It's important to recognize this and give them space. The more you learn about your pet's body language, the better you'll be able to tell the difference between a playful nip and a warning bite. You'll know when they need reassurance and when they need space.
Section 6. Strengthening the bond. Learning your pet's language is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself and your furry friend. The more you pay attention, the easier it will become to understand their subtle signals. This understanding builds a stronger bond between you. You'll be able to communicate more effectively, building trust and respect. And that's the foundation of a truly amazing relationship with your pet. So start watching, start listening, and most importantly, start learning. Your pet will thank you for it.